Hello guys, today I'm going to share with you all a recipe that is very close to my heart. It's tandoori chicken. So without further ado, let's get started. So for this recipe, I'm using 170 gram of full fat thick creamy yogurt. You can use any yogurt you want. So for the spices, I'm gonna need salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder, cumin and coriander powder, tandoori masala, chicken masala, and Kashmiri lal mirch. Along with that, I'm gonna need 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and around 3 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm gonna mix all the ingredients till it becomes a thick paste. So the mixture of my marination is ready. I'm gonna add around 1 kg 500 gram of chicken drumsticks and thighs. I've made slits on it so that the spices can go in. I'm gonna mix everything together and cover it and keep it in the fridge for 24 hours. After 24 hours, I'm gonna take the chicken out of the fridge and I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil on a pan, and I'm gonna fry the chicken thighs till it becomes golden brown on both sides. So as you all can see, the drumsticks had turned nice golden brown color, so I'll fry rest of my drumsticks. Since my pan was small, so I was forced to fry everything separately. After all the drumsticks had turned golden brown color, I'm gonna add the remaining large pieces of chicken thighs. Then I'll add the leftover marination. Along with that, I'm gonna add 2 cups of hot boiling water. I'm gonna cover it with the lid and let it cook on low to medium flame for about 10 to 15 minutes. As you all can see, my tandoori chicken is drying up. I'm gonna add large dices of capsicum and onion leaflet. It will enhance the flavor. So here's a secret technique that I use to give my chicken tandoori this smoky flavor. So you can use steel bowl. I didn't had any steel bowl, so I'm gonna take an aluminum foil. I'm gonna fold it in the shape of small bowl. Heat the charcoal on the stove and take the aluminum foil that you have made and keep it on the chicken. Then keep your heated charcoal on top of the aluminum foil. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil on heated charcoal. You can use butter or ghee instead. Cover the lid and keep it for 5 to 7 minutes. I could not explain you guys how tasty and aromatic was my tandoori chicken. I'm garnishing it with coriander leaf. You can eat it with tandoori roti or naan roti or whatever you want. And thank you for watching.